What if I told you that someone took a luxury motorhome and turned it into an actual mansion on wheels? Not an RV, not a camper, a 3-story rolling palace with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, designer interiors, and a price tag that makes a Rolls-Royce look like pocket change. This thing doesn't park at campgrounds. It doesn't plug into a power hookup at a KOA. It pulls up wherever it wants because it is the destination. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to question everything you thought you knew about what a vehicle can be. Okay, let's take a breath and actually break this down, because the first time most people see this vehicle, their brain just refuses to process it. What you're looking at is commonly referred to as the Rolls-Royce of motorhomes, and that's not just a saying. This is a custom-built, ultra-luxury mobile residence constructed on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. It stands 3 stories tall, 3 stories, on a vehicle that moves down the road at highway speeds. The design is futuristic, almost alien. The body is a sweeping aerodynamic white shell with massive panoramic windows on every level. It looks like someone took a 5-star hotel, a super yacht, and a spaceship, and somehow merged them into one rolling structure. And the crazy part? This isn't CGI. This isn't a concept render. This exists in the real world. Now here's where it gets really interesting. This motorhome didn't come off a factory line. There's no dealership you can walk into and buy one of these. It was a fully custom commission, designed and built by a team of European engineers and luxury craftsmen who specialize in one thing: making the impossible possible for people with virtually unlimited budgets. The base is a Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty chassis, the kind of platform normally used for industrial trucks, but instead of cargo or construction equipment, this one carries a fully engineered, multi-level luxury living space. The engineering required to make a 3-story structure road legal, structurally safe, and aerodynamically stable at speed is staggering. We're talking custom reinforced frames, specialized suspension systems, and weight distribution calculations that rival commercial aircraft engineering. This wasn't built, it was architected. Let's start on the outside, because honestly, you could just stare at the exterior for hours. The body panels are finished in a pearlescent white that shifts in tone depending on the ride, kind of like a luxury sports car's custom paint job, but scaled up to the size of a building. Every curve is intentional. The roofline flows in an organic, wave-like shape, no hard angles, no boxy corners. It's almost biological in its design, like a seashell or the hull of a racing yacht. The windows are enormous. We're talking full-height, floor-to-ceiling glass panels that wrap around multiple levels. At night, with the interior lights on, this thing glows like a lantern, like a floating penthouse drifting through the dark. And the wheels? They're not your standard motorhome tires. These are massive, multi-spoke alloy rims, the kind you'd see on a $500,000 sports car, scaled up for a vehicle that weighs tens of thousands of pounds. From the outside, this motorhome doesn't belong on a road. It looks like it belongs in a museum. Okay, this is the part of the video I know you've been waiting for. Let's go inside. The moment you step through the entrance, you don't feel like you're in a vehicle anymore. You feel like you've walked into a Manhattan penthouse. The floors are polished stone and hardwood. The walls are finished in premium leather and brushed metal paneling. The lighting is soft, warm, and architectural, the kind you'd find in a Michelin-starred restaurant or a luxury hotel suite in Dubai. The ground level serves as the living and entertaining area. There's a full designer kitchen, a dining space that seats multiple guests, and a lounge area with custom upholstered seating and a widescreen entertainment system built directly into the wall. This isn't a pull-out couch situation. This is furniture selected by an interior designer. Move up to the second level and you're entering the private retreat zone. Master suite, full bathroom with real finishes, marble, glass, brushed chrome, a walk-in wardrobe space. We're talking hotel-grade linens, climate control in every room, and the kind of silence you only get from premium acoustic insulation. And the top level? An open observation lounge with 360-degree panoramic views. Imagine sitting up there on a mountain road in Colorado or parked along the Pacific Coast Highway at sunset, watching the world go by from 3 stories up
inside your private rolling palace. Tell me that doesn't sound like the best way to see America. Now let's talk about what's running beneath all that luxury, because the tech inside this motorhome is genuinely mind-blowing. Everything is integrated and automated. Lighting, climate, entertainment, security, all managed from a centralized smart system. You can control every room from a single touchscreen panel or from your phone. The power system is engineered to operate completely off-grid. Advanced battery storage, solar integration, and generator backup mean this vehicle doesn't need to plug into anything. It's self-sufficient. It's a mobile power grid wrapped in a designer shell. The driving tech is equally impressive. This isn't something your average driver could pilot. The control systems, the braking capacity, the maneuvering technology required to handle a multi-story structure at highway speed, it takes serious engineering and serious skill. And the connectivity? Full high-speed internet throughout every level, satellite communication systems. You could run a business from the road, and honestly, in something like this, who would want to stop? All right, the question everyone's been thinking since the first second of this video: what does this thing cost? Here's the honest answer. No one puts an official price tag on a fully custom build like this, but industry estimates for ultra-luxury custom motorhomes at this level, with this kind of engineering, materials, and craftsmanship, typically range somewhere between $3 million and $15 million, and that's before customization options. To put that in perspective, you could buy a private island for the price of some of these builds. You could buy a fleet of Lamborghinis. You could buy a neighborhood of average American homes. But here's the thing. The people who commission vehicles like this aren't comparing them to houses or cars. They're comparing them to yachts, to private jets, to the idea of having total freedom, total privacy, and total luxury anywhere in the world whenever they want. At that level, the price isn't the point. The experience is. Here's what I want you to think about for a second, because this motorhome is more than just a flex, more than just a status symbol. This vehicle represents something genuinely fascinating. The moment when human engineering and human ambition collide at their absolute peak. Someone, somewhere, looked at a blank piece of paper and said, I want to live on the road, but I want to live better than anyone has ever lived anywhere. And instead of being told that was impossible, they found engineers who said yes. They found craftsmen who said yes. And the result is sitting right there in front of you. We live in a world where the limits of what's possible keep getting pushed further and further back. The Rolls-Royce motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's proof of what happens when you refuse to accept limitations. And honestly, even if you never own one, even if this is purely fantasy fuel, there's something deeply inspiring about that. So, would you live in this thing? If someone handed you the keys tomorrow, where would you drive it first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and some of your answers are going to be genuinely hilarious. If you want to see more videos about the most extraordinary machines, vehicles, and engineering feats on the planet, hit that subscribe button. We cover the stuff that makes your jaw drop and your brain spin every single week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.